We'll show you how to delete and clear the Roblox cache on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Over time, the cache can build up, so you may want to clear and delete it to refresh things and free up some space. We'll show you exactly how to do that. First, go ahead and close Roblox completely. Then, press the search button at the bottom and type in Run. Click on it, and you'll get a small pop-up window. In here, you want to type in %localappdata%. Then press Enter or click OK, and File Explorer will open up. Now, scroll through the folders here until you find the Roblox folder. The folders are listed in alphabetical order, so come down to the Roblox folder and open it. You can then press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything inside. After that, right-click on one of the selected files, and you want to find the option for Delete. Go ahead and click Delete, and then wait for the files to be removed. For some files, you may get a message saying that the file is being used. If that happens, simply select Skip, and that's it. You have now cleared the Roblox cache from your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Leave a like if you found this useful.